Okay, today all you'll need is some charcoal, your charcoal pencil, a white Conte, and if you've got a bit of grey or another tone, that's fantastic. But we'll put the grey down for now and the white down for now. And I'm going to start off by creating a simple tone in the background of our surface. So the white paper is dissolved into a grey, and we can use a tissue if you don't want to use your fingers to get rid of that sort of harshness of charcoal. Now we're going to look at the bonsai tree and the lovely roots that it has and the descriptive twists and the turns that it's got, and I'm going to have a go at just really lightly sketching out the general form of what I see. I'm not worried too much about 100% accuracy. I just want to get a sense of where the roots are and the growth, which is kind of what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the way this incredible plant grows upwards and how the roots have created their own personality, almost like a person. I'll finish off those leaves in a minute. For the sake of this video, I'm going to keep it really, really simple. I'm not going to worry too much about the pot at this moment. I'm going to use this charcoal to just block in some of the darker areas. I'm going to work out where those darker areas are, and I'm just going to map out the tone to make it look more three-dimensional. I might, for the more accurate bits, I might want to use and I might even want to use my finger to blend a little bit. I'm interested in how these roots have got a really nice, and I'm going to grow another root, so you can add bits. There's another root growing down here, so I'm going to add that, and I could actually use my rubber to rub into it to bring it out. I'm going to finish this later on, but this is just an introduction. And you can use your rubber to actually bring out some of the highlights. So I'm going to look at all those areas that I want as a bit lighter. And I'm going to work into it. Again, if I've got large dark areas, I can go back into, this is where the soil, because I want to get that sense of the roots growing out of the soil. Okay, so again, to summarise, use a big bit of charcoal to get down the larger tones. Use the charcoal pencil to pick out the details and it's almost like skin, and I'm drawing things back in. And remember, you don't have to draw everything in. You can always add things later. And I'm adding the detail, lovely marks and noises as I try and create the sense of the roots growing. Okay, so at that stage, I'm going to probably do a little bit more to it later on, and I'll show you the finished piece in a moment. That's it for now. Thank you.